Welcome to the CYSEMA project of IoT4Industry. Experts from Odin's in Spain and Digital Works in Germany have built a secure retrofitting sensor system at a German machine manufacturer, Calfas. This novel sensor system can be added to any machine by an easy setup. Sensor data will be collected in the cloud, and shop floor managers can access the data by smartphone or tablet at any time and anywhere. Cybersecurity is provided by the Ashwin CYbersecurity dashboard, where the security of sensors is visualized and updates can be applied over the air. Thanks to IoT4Industry, Calfas has introduced a successful smart data product. Just listen to their success story.
Hello, my name is Michael Remfer. I'm Technical Director at Calfas Verpackungsmaschinen. The system we installed in our wrapping technology during the CYSEMA project is a simple and useful way to monitor the situation of the machine. Existing signals are used to visualize the productivity and the status of the line on smartphone or notebook. The most important advantage, communication between our PLC and external visualization, is absolutely secure. One of the best improvements we can provide with our products in the future. Thank you.
At CYSEMA, we have approved that small and medium industrial enterprises can easily create values with smart solutions. Low barriers, easy to use, and secure in operation.